JapanesePage.com, beginning Japanese phrases.
This week's word is
5. ください。
This is a polite way to request that someone does something. While it has the same meaning as o kudasai, the go kudasai, it is most often used with onyomi words, that is, words originally from Chinese. Repeat after the speaker.
5. ください。5. ください。5. ください。
Example sentence.
こちらの資料をご覧ください。
Please refer to this document. Please look at this document.
こちらの資料をご覧ください。こちらの資料をご覧ください。
Do you remember what
5. ください。
means? Please do something. Now, let's break this sentence down.
こちらの
This, of,
資料を
materials, direct object marker,
ご覧ください。
look, please.
こちらの資料をご覧ください。
それじゃあまたね。